Introduction to analgesics. Analgesics are the reagents that relieve the pain by acting centrally to elevate pain threshold without disturbing consciousness or altering other sensory modalities. Certain analgesics like aminopyrine, phenylbutazone also act as a anti-inflammatory agents. There are two types of analgesics. Opioid analgesics are also called as a narcotic analgesics, and non-opioid analgesics are also called as a non-narcotic analgesics. In narcotic analgesics, they are act as a centrally, and non-narcotic analgesics act as a peripherally. Analgesics are the agent that relieve the pain without causing the consciousness. Analgesics are the agent that relieve the pain without causing the consciousness. Narcotic analgesics are also known as opioid analgesics. Analgesics relieve the severe pain by acting mainly on central nervous system. Narcotic analgesics are potentially addictive, means they produce the addiction when taken long duration. Then mechanism of action of narcotic analgesics. There are narcotic analgesics are mainly act on central nervous system, and there are three types of receptors in which narcotic agonists are act: mu receptor, delta receptor, and kappa receptor. Mu receptor are again divided into two types, mu1 and mu2. Delta receptor are again divided into two types, delta 1 and delta 2. And kappa receptors again divided into three types, K1, K2 and K3. Analgesics are mainly act on mu receptor because it activates the, when mu receptor is get activated in central nervous system, it produces the pain, then respiratory depression, and decreases the gastrointestinal motility. When mu receptors are activated, it produces a pain. Then second, it produces the gastrointestinal, it decreases the gastrointestinal motility and suppress the respiratory system. When we give the narcotic agonist mainly act on the narcotic receptors, which is a mu receptor. Then narcotic drugs are deactivates the mu receptor. When mu receptor is deactivated, then pain, it does not causes the pain, then does not have respiratory depression, increases the gastrointestinal motility. Then how narcotic agonists are deactivates the mu receptor. It act mainly on the potassium channel. It opens the potassium channels and closes the calcium channels, leads to the hyperpolarization. When hyperpolarization is occur, then it inhibits the release of neurotransmitter. When neurotransmitter is not released, then mu receptor does not activated, and when mu receptor is not activated, then it does not produces the pain. Okay, then second point is structure activity relationship of narcotic drugs and morphine. The basic structure is a phenanthrene basic ring. Phenanthrene, which is a basic ring in morphine, which contain the A, B, C, D and E ring, in which the structure of morphine, A ring contains numbering given in that structure, At position 3, phenolic OH group is present, which is essential for activity. When phenolic OH group is replaced by other compounds like chlorine, bromine, fluorine, carbon, then it deactivates. It get deactivated, and or it has a zero analgesic property. So for analgesic property, we need to OH group at third position in A ring. Then second point for structure activity relationship, A ring, A, which is a heterocyclic ring which is essential for activity, which cannot be replaced by other ring or other compounds. Then ethyl bridge between the fourth and fifth carbon number, which is essential for activity. Then alcoholic OH group at sixth position, which is not essential, which can be replaced by other groups. Then double bond in 7 and 8 carbon, double bond between 7th and 8th carbon, which can be replaced. Then substitution on nitrogen should be less carbon numbers. In nitrogen, substitution should be 2 carbons, not more than 2 carbons. When more than 2 carbon substitution in that nitrogen, it decreases the activity. Then we see the structures of narcotic agonist. Then classification of morphine and its analogues. Basically, morphine has, according to SAR, morphine structure. Third position, phenolic OH group. At sixth position, alcoholic OH group. Nitrogen, it should be less carbon number substitution. Then ethyl bridge is present, double bond between the 7th and 8th carbon. 6th and 7th carbon. Okay, morphine structure, codeine and heroine. According to the SAR, we told that at 3 position OH group is essential, but in codeine OH group is not present, OCH3 group is present. When codeine is taken orally, it gets metabolized by N-demethylation in liver, and when N-demethylation takes place, methyl group can replace by H group, hydrogen group, and codeine is converted into the morphine. When codeine is orally taken, it gets metabolized into liver and converted into the morphine. Then heroine, which is also analgesic compound, narcotic analgesic. Then second classification, morphinone analog. Morphinone analog, which is a livorphenol and dextromethorphan. Dextromethorphan. Livorphenol, which is a active compound, which is a 20 times more active than morphine, and which is mainly act on mu, delta and kappa, 3 receptors. Livorphenol, which is a 20 times more potent than morphine, and which mainly act on mu, delta and kappa receptors. Then pentazocine and metazocine, which are structurally similar drugs. Small difference is there on substitution of nitrogen. Pentazocine, which belong to the morphine analog, it has a 33% activity of morphine, 33% activity of morphine, and it has a shorter duration of action. It mainly act on a K1 receptor, means kappa receptors. It is used in the treatment of mild and moderate pain to produce the analgesic effect. Then fourth classification, a 4-phenylpiperidine analog which contain the drug meperidine, diphenoxylate and aniluridine. Then meperidine, first drug of 4-phenylpiperidine analog class, which contain the, according to the classification name indicates that the piperidine ring which fourth position which contain the phenyl ring. Piperidine ring at fourth position, phenyl ring is present, then it called as a 4-phenylpiperidine analog. Meperidine is mainly act on mu receptor, which is also called as a mu receptor agonist. It is used in the cough and little effect in diarrhea. Then diphenoxylate, which is belonging to the same class, 4-phenylpiperidine class, which is mainly act on it has a little analgesic property and mainly act on mu receptor. And diphenoxylate hydrochloride, which is mainly given to combination with atropine sulfate. Then aniluridine, which is a opioid analgesic belonging to the class of 4-phenylpiperidine. It has some local anesthetic effect. Aniluridine have some local anesthetic effect and which is more potent than meperidine. Then next drug है 4-anilinopiperidine analog, which contain the fentanyl and sulfentanyl. Fentanyl which act mainly on mu agonist or mu receptor agonist. It is 80 times more active than morphine. Fentanyl is 80 times more active than morphine. And it is also used in the combination of general anesthetics to produce the surgical anesthesia. The next class is diphenyl propylamine derivative, which contain the methadone. It is also called as a methadone series. Methadone, it is a similar mechanism to that of the morphine. It is a selectively interacts with mu receptor and depresses the central nervous system. Methadone is similar activity to that of the morphine, mainly act on the mu receptor and depress the central nervous system to produce the analgesic effect. Then methadone, it is used in the treatment of mild and moderate pain. त्याच्यानंतर methadone, it used to treat the drug addiction or manage the drug addiction. Then propoxyphene, next drug of diphenyl propylamine derivative, propoxyphene, which is act on mainly mu opioid receptor. It is also potent nicotinic acetylcholine receptor antagonist. Nicotinic antagonist, also known as a nicotinic antagonist, and also it acts as a serotonin reuptake inhibitor. It has a propoxyphene has two forms, dextroform and levoform. Dextroform, it is used in the treatment of withdrawal symptoms in people addicted to opioids. And levoform having the antitussive property and used in the treatment in analgesic in mild and moderate pain. Okay, naloxone are the compound which mainly act as a narcotic antagonist. Naloxone, which is a mainly compound, act as a narcotic antagonist. It blocks the effect of opioid overdose. And naloxone, it is used as antidote in overdose of clonidine.